Uh, Hehe, super. Hey, Bucket, I want to, but just I wanna put this inside me. What the heck? Bucket, have you ever noticed that both our heads are squares? To just let you have eyes! Yeah, by the way, have you seen anything like this? So, the let you have ears! Oh yeah, I'm going to think about meeting right now. And congratulations, you have a brain! I hope you stop the stone on the paper. Sleep on the same paper. Then land on the bus. And land by simultaneously. With them, by me, and by the pretty beautiful. What is that, right? I'm using the I'm using my roster, but I can't believe I'm in the same elevator as the bee. Did you fall from heaven recently? Because the movie played what happened to your face, you freak. You're ugly. You hate what? Bastard! You're busy at 70 like Ohio! What? I hate pigs! Fuck up, bitch. Pig. Is that say that? I literally don't give a flying fuck! Hey, bad bitch. She's fuck. Kill yourself. Hey, asshole. You have some to be toilet with? To be toilet. Wow, what a prick, ba? Tita, look to know your hair. Under the document. What the hell is that? What the prick is that? Baby, hello. We are the prick what? Oh, you're excited to baby. Ask daddy. I wish we could die. I know, buddy. I worry about her too. Baby, why are you looking at me like that? Okay, baby. Oh, how cute! A little pet walk. Like to find the evil one name that will look appetite. It's sweet to me. And we see it. Do you want to know what happened to your brother? What? What happened? His dad. He became irritably and by my paws. And soon you shall succumb to. What? That means one and all, Bob. Muted one. But you certainly set high. Well, will you be joining me for tea at some point? No. No will be there. I'll just be there. Hey, Tigger, what is up in your head? Really quick? Yeah! Tricky. Well, that explains why you're so sweet. Pete, you're too tired. I ate elementals! Actually, they all done the theory everything about it. Well done the blood! Asshole! Boy like bad! What? Bad! Wow! Asshole! Boy like yak! What? Yakko! I hate it, bow! But I like it. Ooh! Ah! Sure, I'm doing well. Do you like this song? So sweet. Right now, I'm thinking about myself. Look at me. Box! Number of. I love it, basic. Be careful. I drink the water like sampan. They have the album was released. I do want to, but I do like to tell you to pick. Say something. I have to say, dude. Hey, Triple, how are you feeling, buddy? If I had a trumpet, I will pop you. I will put that in the room. I'll take up on you later. Then you all like it. Shut up. La 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 la. I love Christmas. Of course. But it's not really. What do you say? Why do you not say? Push knife. I mean, it's Christmas. Put that back in the pocket. Laughter, are you able to just read your grades? Oh, you that? That's okay. I'll take other orders behind. I drank an egg ball of talk, and now I turn into the endless author. As back, my diaper, and my diaper, we woo, oh, dinner time. I hate you. Me? I want to tiny pieces. I want you to be alive and push into shrines with each father. Haha, I know what you are, you little suspect. What's that one of your favorite episode? Hey Poppy, you all our lucky video today. Yippee, what do I read? The big dash, Bob, Pepsi, Dick. Oh my god, oh my goodness, really? The big dash, Bob, Pepsi, that is a multi-change of roses. The top party says that positively that both the people are attitude. The 30 bitter pieces that will be there, the 30 sectors. Light out the talk, the one that picks out slowly. My next pastor is meeting after you heal the season. Boody boop. It's in lap. To be completing every time you hear this out. Then, remember to run it a twig light and run as long as possible. The second time you fail to complete a lap before the time your test is over. The test will begin on the work start. On your mark. Then ready, start, need. Huh? Hey, Poppy! You all are lucky to eat it today. Yippee, what do I read? April butter. Oh my goodness! Really? No, Poppy, does it look like we want a large soup up in her? Oh, it's fine. I don't even wanna die. Yeah. Maybe you like my ugly for $1 snake soup party. Right? B. Don't fuck yourself. I'm gonna take that as a yes. Baby. I'm so kitty puppy named Triple Masters. No, really? No, they have 100 teeth. Tell me about that later. Successfully to TPD. Bear! I hate the that's why you look like you have a dick on your head. I hate bear! Are you okay? All you, Sigma? Oh, fuck. Come on, I asked first. When I asked later, come on, you say first. I'm okay. Button, when I play Tuktiwati Dam, what's that? And RPG Day. I was lucky on my birthday. Oh, so are we gonna play Tuktiwati Dam? Like what? Hey, Poppy! You all are lucky with it today. Yippee, what do I read? I brought you thought. Oh my goodness, really? No, Poppy, does it look like we can have a tall leader? Delusion.